Some areas of the body are just predisposed to accumulating bulging fat. It becomes annoying if it is on your back. The common causes for extra pounds on the back are being significantly overweight, poor eating habits, lack of regular exercise, certain medical conditions, and sometimes even genetics. With the right exercise routine, it is possible to tone your back and rid your back of unwanted fat. Before starting with proper workout, it is necessary to warm up. Do this warm-up for 1 minute. The warm-up should gently prepare the body for exercises by gradually increasing the heart rate and circulation. This will loosen the joints and increase blood flow to the muscles. Stretching the muscles prepares them for physical activity and prevents injuries. Do this stretching exercise for 1 minute. Stretching keeps the muscles flexible, strong, and healthy, and we need that flexibility to maintain a range of motion in the joints. This exercise involves jumping at one place. The trick here is, keep your upper body straight, and jump with your feet facing left and right alternatively. Do this for 30 seconds. Then relax for 10 seconds. Repeat this for 5 more times. Perform this exercise twice every day. Gradually you can increase the number of sets. Doing this jumping workout will not only help you shed extra bulging fat, but also helps to get rid of stubborn belly fat. This exercise involves lifting your thigh up a little high, and walking at one place. Start at slow pace initially, then increase the speed gradually. Do this for 30 seconds. Then relax for 10 seconds. Repeat this for 5 more times. Perform this exercise twice every day. Green tea can help you lose weight. The flavonoids and caffeine in green tea can help elevate metabolic rate. Start your day with a cup of green tea, and drink 2 to 3 cups throughout the day. To add little zing, you can add few mint leaves and ginger to your green tea. You can also add few drops of lemon juice. Green tea is available in different flavors, so you can choose one that suits your taste. Green tea contains potent antioxidants and various components that speed up your metabolism rate. This will help you burn extra calories and lose weight. Don't perform any of these exercises if you are pregnant, have serious injury, or any other medical conditions. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.